Hey guys, so about a year ago I did a video on replacing the battery of a 2009 Range Rover Sport, my weekend driver, and since then I traded it in for a second-hand Range Rover Supercharged, and guess what? That also needs a battery replacement, so here we are. After window shopping and test driving a few Range Rovers in the Las Vegas area, I found one that had not too much miles, was around $50,000, was young enough to not have all the issues of the first models, and old enough to not have the full registration fee that brand new models have. And also didn't have a price hike while I'm negotiating the price with the dealer, which actually happened. I eventually bought this 2015 Range Rover Supercharged a month or two ago, and it started developing some issues when starting it up. It just went click click and then nothing. The engine wouldn't turn over. After trying to first start the car without the brake pedal, fire all the electronics up first and then starting the engine, it would often just start. But at some point it wouldn't start at all anymore. So I figured, or hoped is a better word, that it was just a battery problem. So assuming it was, I went out and bought a new battery from O'Reilly's. I tried AutoZone same delivery first, but that site didn't even work. Both the credit card payments as well as their PayPal payment options were full of bugs, and they ended up charging me 4 times. Anyway, that got resolved, but O'Reilly was even cheaper anyway. But I had to pick it up myself. So here is me replacing a battery of a 2015 Range Rover Supercharged, the L405 model. So thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Alright, we went out, got the battery. Now let's take the battery out here. So what we're looking at here right now is the compressor, which is placed beneath the spare tire. Once you take out the spare tire, this is what you will end up with. There are some tools here for emergencies that we're just gonna put somewhere else. And this is the compressor, and the battery is right underneath. First we're gonna unscrew this screw here, that's one, and there's another one here. Gotta be careful with this lead here, not to break it. I think this is a 10. Now we gotta put the lead underneath, and then we get the pull out. Yes. Alright, so let's put this lead on its side here. Alright. Let's take off the cover. We got the positive side on the right, negative side on the left. We're going to do the negative side first. Okay, let's take that off. Unhook this.
place. Slide it under there. Screws. Alrighty, before we ever put everything back, let's see if the car still starts. So we know that this is solving the problem at hand. Here we go. That is the sound. That's the sound of success. Okay, let's put it back. Put the wheel cover on it. Okay, and that kind of needs to fit right into the screw hole. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to stay up to date on what is happening in and around Vegas.